Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indian Investor YouTube channel where you learn stock markets in detail, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a very good opportunity where you can invest in some stocks which are currently looking very good and they have great fundamentals and they look very great, amazing they are looking, and they might give some very good returns in the coming future. So which are these companies? Let's look at them. Some great stocks with some great potential. So the first stock that I want to share with you, the name of this company is Canfin Homes Limited. Now this stock, if you look at the returns, the stock has given around 3000% returns in the last 10 years, up around 57% in last 1 year. The stock has a dividend yield of around 0.35% and it is continuously giving very good returns to the investors. Now this stock, if you talk about it, it is a South India based housing finance company with focus on tier 2, 3 and 4 cities. This company was set up by Canara Bank in 1987, which owns 29.99% shareholding in it. Now its customer profile comprises salaried individuals, around 72% loans, mostly rule risk, and self-employed and non-professionals, around 28% of the loans of the company. Now this company primarily caters to the medium ticket size segment. Average ticket size is around INR 18 lakh for housing loans, and its fundamentals have improved considerably, with gross NPS improving 0.68% in Q3 FY21 from 1.06% in FY11, and loan book expanding at 38% CAGR over FY12 to 17. With the other competitors in trouble like DHFL and Indiabulls Housing, competitive intensity may reduce to an extent, and it has moderate scale of operations in the domestic housing finance market, and it focuses on relatively low risk salaried homes loan segment, which has aided the company in maintaining healthy asset quality. Now its customer base primarily comprises first time home buyers, government employees and middle income segment population, typically under the age of 40 years. And the company Canfin Homes Limited mainly focuses on housing loans to individuals, which accounted for about 89% of its portfolio as on March 31, 2019. Now its portfolio stood at around 18,000 crore as on March 31, 2019, of which seizable share is sourced from the southern region, mainly Karnataka. Now if you look at the company's more details, now from new customer acquisition and growth perspective, the company stated that as the base of people filing ITR increase, the opportunity size for the company would also increase, since the company gives loans only to people with formal income proofs. Now the company has life insurance tie-up with Canara, HSBC, OBC Life Insurance, and the company is also in the process of engaging Tata, AIG, Birla and Bajaj for general insurance. Going ahead, the company aims to translate the quantum of non-salaried loans rising over the last few quarters into higher yields. A branch expansion to non-South tier 2 and 3 cities growth centers in recent years, and full potential is yet to be tapped. So there is a great growth opportunity. Also increasing loan disbursement is a very good positive. So I think, in my opinion, it's a very good stock. Fundamentally it's good. Also it looks like in the coming future this stock can perform very well. If you look at the profit and loss analysis, the sales and revenue, if you look at the revenue, it was 214 crore in 2010, which increased to 2018 crore in 2021. So that's a very good increase. And if you look at the profit, it was just 39 crore in 2010 and now it is 456 crore. So of course the company is growing. And now let's look at the chart of this stock. So Canfin Home, if you look at the chart, the stock after making a high of around 650, there was a small correction. It went till 600, and then again the stock is looking like it's trying to go higher now. So according to me, the best price to enter would be near 650. It's a long-term bet, and I think even if there is any correction in the short term, just like like this, any correction is there, that would be a great opportunity to buy this stock, because I believe in the long term this stock will perform very well and it can be a great bet for the future. And you can see that the stock is trading above all the important moving averages. RSI is also bullish, so overall it looks good. It looks good to perform in the coming days. Now this was the first stock that I wanted to share with you. Now let's look at another company, second stock, which is very interesting. Now this company, if you look at the returns, now this stock has given 4,500% returns in the last 10 years. It is up around 666% in the last 1 year. Year to date 310%, 31% in 3 months, 33% in 1 month, 18% in 1 week, 120% in 6 months. Also today the stock was trading up around 9%, so it's in a very strong momentum, and also this stock is very good fundamentally. If you look at the shareholding pattern, in this company promoters have 44% of shareholding and DIIs have around 6.45% of stake. Now let's talk about it. Now this company is engaged in manufacturing and trading of quartz kitchen sinks, stainless steel kitchen sinks, bath products, tiles, kitchen appliances and accessories. It is the only composite quartz sink manufacturer with a German technology that is patented by Shock. Only 4 other companies in the world have the license to use this technology. The company has a total quartz sink capacity of 5 lakh units. Apart from that, the company also has a stainless steel sinks capacity of 90,000 per annum. The global capacity of composite quartz sink is around 50 to 55 lakh, which gives a global market share of 9 to 10% to this company. Now the company has enough land bank to reach 8 lakh to 9 lakh sinks in the existing land, and the firm has constantly enhanced its quartz sink capacity from 2.25 lakh units in FY12 to 5 lakh units at the end of FY20. The company is going for another 20% of expansion by adding 1 lakh units to cater the demand of global customers, and the company entered into a strategic partnership with IKEA Supply AG Switzerland for manufacturing and supply of composite quartz kitchen sinks for their global requirement. Now the firm will start with Eastern European countries and Russia first, and will then slowly move into other geographies. Now this firm, it gets around 80% of revenue from export market and 73% of total revenue come from the quartz sink. Now it is in the business of manufacturing quartz kitchen sinks, stainless steel kitchen sinks, faucets, food waste disposal and built-in kitchen appliances such as chimneys, cooktops, wine chillers, etc. It is the pioneer in composite quartz sink technology in India and is one of the largest producers of quartz kitchen sinks in the world. A niche player in the growing consumer space, the firm has a strong brand identity and manufacturing capability supported by its German partner Shock. Now the company sells its kitchen sink products under the brand Carousel, and the firm is targeting to make Carousel a prominent brand by increasing their presence in major markets like the US, UK and Europe, as it forms majority of their export sales. To increase its penetration in USA, which forms 30% of its export share, the firm has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary to deal in kitchen, bathroom and tile products, and it would look to leverage its existing customers, develop new customers and extend the market penetration in the US. Now presently 90 to 95% of sinks industry is dominated by stainless steel sinks, and approximately 5 to 10% uses quartz sinks. So due to lower penetration of quartz sinks, it could be a very high growing and emerging market. So this stock has very great growth potential. So I think it's a great stock with good potential for the future. And finally, the name of the stock. So the name of this company is Acrisil Limited. So Acrisil is the stock, and now let's look at the profit and loss analysis. The sales from 55 crore in 2011 to around 310 crore in 2021 has seen a very good growth, and net profit from just 5 crore in 2011 to 39 crore in 2021. Now if you look at the chart of this stock, it was in a range since last 1-2 months, and since July it was in a range and it was not able to break. Now recently the stock has given a good breakout at around 700 rupees, also with good volume. Also RSI is positive, so I think 700 would be a good price to enter in this stock, and I believe this company not only in the short term but in the long term, both the stock that I share with you today, I think they can perform very well in the coming future. In the long term, if you hold it for 2-3 years, I think these stocks can give some very good returns. So I hope you liked my analysis. See you again soon with another stock analysis video. Till then, goodbye, take care, happy trading, happy investing.